Hello my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Color Club Black Magic Moyou Pro Collection XL05 and Beauty Big Bang XL020. Here is Black Magic by Color Club. Beautiful linear hollow. And I am going to cap my free edge first on this one. And then I'm going to get into doing some, laying down some color. I love the Color Club hollow polishes. They're just so easy to work with, and they've really got a good formula. I don't hardly even make a mess with these. I mean, a little bit, but not crazy messy. And you can see that rainbow every once in a while. It just pops when the light hits it just right. It's an insane rainbow. So here we go with our second coat of Black Magic. I figured this would be a great polish to use for some Halloween stamping. Hi Woody, how you doing? I know I missed him on the first go. He's a busy fella. And I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat real quick. Get this to dry down. Two beautiful, easy coats of that, though, is just lovely. It's just a lovely, lovely polish. There I go, capping my free edge again. I did use a peel-off base coat, so I'm trying to make sure to cap. And there it is on its own. Here is Beauty Big Bang XL020. And I love this image in the corner. I'll be using a couple of stampers and my beauty scraper, as well as Shutout by Braves Diva. This image right here caught my eye when I swatched this plate, and I was really excited to use it. So I have stamped it. I'm going to stamp it out on two stampers. These are going to be my accent nails today. And you're going to see what I'll do with it. I got them both to pick up quite well. I'll be using Pure Ice, and this is Hit the Floor. Very similar to Ruby Pumps. You could use any kind of glittery red beautiful polish to do this design. And I am going to go in with the dotting tool, and I'm going to fill in this eye area. And let them dry down really well before I try to transfer them to my nail. Kind of spooky looking. Not gory, but, we're working on the spook factor this time. Not all of my manis are cutesy wootsies. Every once in a while I do some, some kind of spooky looking ones. And this is Pro Collection XL05, I believe. Yes, from Moyou, London. And I'm going to use this animal print on my other nails. Kind of tie the whole manicure in together. I'm going to do those two accent nails, but I wanted something on these other nails too. And I figured this print would work really well. Kind of like a reptile. I don't know. I am cleaning that plate with some pure acetone. Excuse me. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to do this on my pinky nail. I am using that Coned stamper from way back. I've been gravitating towards it here lately. And I'm also going to put that same image on my thumbnail as well. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and do a little bit of cleanup here. It's not every bit of it coming up, but a lot of it is coming up with the tape. So, very happy about that. Ta-da! I'll be using the Pro FX Sticky Base to apply my decals. The polish on my nails is really, really dry, and I want to make sure all of that decal transfers over, or that reverse stamping, whatever you want to call it. Digging this crazy manicure though. And I'm trying to figure out how I want to place this other one, but the image is just, it's not, the eyeball isn't centered in the image even enough for the length of my nails. So I'm just going to turn it this way. Tap, 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 and there we go. So far I'm loving it. So I'm using the Maniology smudge-free top coat over the top of all of these nails. The straight up stamped ones and the decal ones. And once that's totally dry, I'm going to go in with this Poshe top coat and seal everything in. Big nice bead of that Poshe. Make sure I get it all covered side to side, tip to end. Capping that free edge again. So there we go. And this is pretty much going to wrap this one up. I really do love it. I hope you loved it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Here is that Mani in motion. Pick up some of that glittery bling. And I do have a swatch photo. There it is. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.